the Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Tuesday morning? It's the 10th day of July, 4 o'clock in the morning. My name is Rich, and some important changes are taking place in the atmosphere. Another one of those big upper-level heat wave highs is building above us, and if you are a regular viewer to these videos, you know that means fewer storms, more sunshine, and some ridiculous heat indices. Now, the question is, how long will that last? What will that do to the weekend forecast? I'll show you what I think is going to happen. Plus, out in the tropics, things are very interesting, I think. Chris is that close to becoming a hurricane. And Beryl, if Beryl can survive the mountains of Hispaniola today, Beryl may develop into another system. Life after death for Beryl, perhaps. Here we go.
You see that big upper-level high in the middle of the country? Well, the ridge is expanding today. That is one key to our forecast. And that trend yesterday for the drier air sneaking in from Georgia, that now overtakes most of the state today, so the rain chances will be relatively small. You know, not zero. This is summertime here in the tropics. This is a snapshot at 2 p.m., a few blips on the radar here and there, but your rain chances are very small. In fact, I've put the rain chances under 20%. I'm a risky guy. Mostly sunny today with a high temperature in the mid-90s. Tonight's low 74, the heat index teetering near 100 today. Hot tomorrow with isolated storms perhaps, but the rain chance is relatively small. Triple-digit heat indices with hot weather continuing Thursday. In fact, right on through the end of the week into the weekend. Scattered storms perhaps, but by Friday, that upper high has built even stronger into our area. And that's going to mean, not too many storms and very hot afternoon temperatures. In fact, the heat index will be in the extreme caution range Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and maybe even close to that on Saturday. So summer heat continues. The rain chance is relatively small, in the 30 to 40% range on Friday, and then 40% closer to that on Saturday with scattered storms around, but still some hot temperatures right on through the weekend in the middle 90s every single day. So let's review for you. Tomorrow I've got our high in the mid-90s. We'll continue in the mid-90s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, triple-digit heat indices every day. Lows at night will be in the middle 70s for the most part, and the rain chances small tomorrow, and then they pick up to relatively normal range Thursday through Sunday. I just wanted to show you this. It's not going to be 100 on Thursday, but the European is printing a 100 and then another one next week. So, the point is it's going to be hot. Even the GFS is printing a 99 tomorrow. I don't think we're going to be that hot, but you get the point, okay? Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City with high temperatures around 90. Rain chances are finally reasonable. In the 20% range Wednesday and Thursday, around 30% Friday, 40% Saturday, and 50% on Sunday with the Gulf water temperature now at 84. Out in the tropics, we're watching not only Chris, which is about to become a hurricane, but the remnants of Beryl, which has been causing prolific flooding around Puerto Rico, a country that doesn't need it. And the chances of Beryl developing into another tropical storm, perhaps, or tropical depression, 50% from the National Hurricane Center off the southeastern coast. Chris is looking very healthy, winds 70 miles per hour, almost a hurricane, and this will be the day that Chris becomes a hurricane, and it could have an effect, a brush with the maritime provinces of Canada by about Thursday. Meanwhile, we look at this future radar snapshot, and you can see Chris stays off the U.S. coastline, but the strong pressure gradient causes strong winds along the coast. That is a cool future radar shot. You can stay on top of the tropics with our weather app, our free weather app, plus push notifications for watches and warnings and advanced interactive radar. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. It's good to have. You can have access to my videos and my blog updates too.
So that's it. That's all I have for you this morning. Thank you for watching this video. We will be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and occasionally you'll see my dog Bailey on TV when we do our live TV updates at 5:50 a.m. You won't see her from the office because she's below the desk, but we're live with Ryan Stinnett, and we have a weather chat, which is pretty cool, from the Blue Water Weather Center. And then at 6:40, we are live from the News Talk studio upstairs, and we have an interaction with their morning crew, and that is a lot of fun. pretty funny sometimes. Anyway, join us for that and another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And of course, needless to say, your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations, 256 times a day, the Blue Water family of stations. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.